Today I wanted to take you here to a job that we're going to do. This is the door leading from the house into the garage. It is a little beat up. I don't know if you can see everything that's going on with this door. 6-panel, fire-rated door. That's kind of standard what you need to have in the garage. Got a lot of markings over here, man. The door's just not in great condition. When you open it, this whole jamb is torn to pieces. Let me try to show it to you. So you can see that there is a break in the wood. This is all loose, that's missing. I mean, this door needs a little bit of attention. One more thing that I've noticed on fire-rated doors should have self-closing hinges. And this one's hinges are bad, so that's another thing that we need to take care of here. And then overall, the door could probably use a little bit of a paint job. So what we did so far, we removed the trim that's on this side, covering basically the gap between the door installation and the wall. And did the same thing on the other side, remove the gap, the trim over here. Trim came out pretty well, maybe has a little bit of crack on it. We're going to see if we have another piece of trim over there to replace it at the store, or we could just put back the old one. It's not in bad shape at all. You can see it's just a little dirty. Maybe it needs like painting. So we're already going to paint the old one, paint the new one, same thing. Our plan, right now our plan is we're going to cut probably around over here, and then cut all the way down around over here to just replace this little metal section. There's a 4.5-inch piece, and Angel went to the store to get it. As you can see, there's a tiny little bit of a gap over there. And two things are going to happen. One is stick a piece of wood in here, push it out. And the second thing is put some caulking over there. Close up the gap. You have the same thing going on the bottom here. A little bit more of a gap there, you can see. That's going to be pushed out and sealed. Alright, here's my final update for today. This is how the door is looking. This is how our jamb is. You can see that it's been replaced. Caulked on the bottom, caulked all along the side with trim. Put back the locks. Shuts down really nicely. That lock's automatic. It should lock in a second, it might not. This is a child lock. That's how it goes. You put it like that. Kid can't open the door. Let's open it. You just pull, turn. There we are. Give us a call, Response Crew Handyman. We'd love to help you.